Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to unlink Xbox account from Rockstar Games Social Club account. Follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, open socialclub.rockstargames.com website and sign into your account. Now click on your profile photo and click on settings. And you will directly jump into your social club account settings page. Here select link accounts. Under my linked accounts, you will get your Xbox. Now to unlink, just click on it and click on unlink. And this is how we can unlink Xbox from social club account. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.